Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. Today is a very beautiful day. The sun is shining and I feel very happy. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful time.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I'm Tom. I am very well too. The weather is warm today. I love the sun. It makes me feel full of energy. Today we have a very important topic. It is a topic we use every single day. We are going to talk about saying goodbye.
Yes, Tom. Saying goodbye is very important. We say hello when we meet people, but we also need to know how to say goodbye. There are many ways to do it. Some ways are for friends, some ways are for the office. We want to help you learn all of them.
That is true, Anna. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, please click the like button. It helps us a lot. We love reading your comments too. Tell us how you say goodbye in your country.
Let us start with the most common word. The word is goodbye. It is a very good word. You can use it in every situation. You can say it to your boss. You can say it to your mother. It is always correct. But sometimes goodbye sounds a little bit serious.
You are right, Anna. Goodbye is very formal. When I'm with my friends, I do not say goodbye. I usually say bye, or I say bye-bye. Bye-bye is very sweet. I say bye-bye to my family or to children. It is a very friendly way to finish a conversation.
I love saying bye-bye. It feels very warm. Another very popular way is see you later. This is my favorite. I say see you later because I know I will see the person again. It is positive. It means we are friends and we will talk more in the future.
I use see you later all the time. Sometimes I also say see you soon. See you soon is for when you will see the person in a short time, maybe in 1 hour or 2 hours. It is very common when you go to the shop and you return home soon.
That is a great point, Tom. Now let us talk about the workplace. When you are at the office, you need to be professional. You want to be kind but formal. I often say, have a nice day. This is a perfect phrase for the office or for a shop.
Yes, Anna. Have a nice day is wonderful. It is a wish. You are wishing something good for the other person. If it is Friday, you can say, have a nice weekend. People love that. It shows you are a kind person and you care about their time.
I also like to say, take care. Take care is very nice. It means you want the other person to be safe and healthy. I say take care to my colleagues when they leave the office. It's a soft and friendly way to end the day.
I agree. Take care is very empathetic. Another formal way is, it was nice to see you. You say this after a meeting or after coffee. It shows that you enjoyed the time together. It is very polite and makes people feel happy.
But Tom, what happens when we are in a hurry? Sometimes I have no time. I need to run to the bus or to a meeting. In that situation, I cannot talk a lot. I have to go. So I say, I must go now. Or I say, I'm off.
I'm off is very natural. It means I'm leaving right now. I also say catch you later. Catch you later is very informal. It's like see you later, but more casual. It's perfect for young people or close friends when you are walking away fast.
I use catch you later too. And if I'm really busy, I just say talk soon. Talk soon is good for phone calls or text messages. It means I cannot talk now, but I will call you later. It is short and very clear for everyone.
We also have phrases for the end of the day. When it is night and you are going to sleep, you do not say goodbye. You say good night. Good night is only for the evening or when you are going to bed. It is a very peaceful way to say goodbye to the day.
Exactly, Tom. Good night is special. And what about when someone is going on a trip? If my friend is going to another city, I say, have a good trip. Or I say, safe travels. This is very important because we want our friends to arrive safely at their destination.
Safe travels is a beautiful phrase. I also say enjoy your vacation if they are going on holiday. It's all about being positive. When we say goodbye, we want to leave a good feeling in the heart of the other person.
That is so true. English is not just about words, it's about feelings. We want you to feel confident when you speak. Don't worry if you forget a word. Just smile and say bye. A smile is a universal language that everyone understands.
You are very right, Anna. Now let us practice some repetitions. Friends, listen and repeat. Goodbye, bye, see you later, have a nice day, take care. These are your new tools. Use them today with your friends or your family.
I feel very happy after this lesson. I think our friends now know many ways to say goodbye. It is not just one word, it's a world of possibilities. Remember to practice every day. Small steps are the secret to learning a new language.
Yes, small steps are very important. We are very proud of you for listening to this podcast. You are doing a great job. Please comment below and tell us, what is your favorite way to say goodbye? Do you prefer see you later or take care?
We want to read your answers. Thank you for being part of Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love this community. You are all amazing. I feel very grateful for your time today. The weather is still beautiful here, so I'm going for a walk.
That sounds like a good plan, Anna. I am going to have a cup of tea now. It was a pleasure talking to you and to all our friends. I feel very positive about our lesson today. Learning is always better when we do it together.
Well, Tom, it is time for us to go. We have talked a lot about saying goodbye, so now we must do it. We must practice what we teach. I am ready to say my favorite phrase to everyone listening.
I'm ready too. Thank you everyone for your likes and for subscribing. You are the best students in the world. We will see you in the next video with more easy and fun English for your daily life.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care and have a wonderful day. See you later.
Bye-bye, friends. Safe travels in your English journey. See you soon.